Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I'm the Vortex Trader and today we are on AUD USD, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar on the 4-hour time frame, and we are looking at a potential double bottom that is not yet finished forming. And what I want to see is if this thing actually does form, because if it does, then there is a good chance for us to jump in long. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. What are we looking at? We can see that price has been moving downwards over time, right? Making new lows and lower highs. Now, double bottoms are reversal structures, right? They happened at the end. They happen at the end of a trend. When the sellers, in this case, get exhausted, yes, then we wait for the bulls to come in. We wait for some bullish confirmation, and we generally see patterns like this form. Okay, so what am I looking at? Well, I would be looking at something along the lines of this. All right, this yellow area right here is our, let's call it neckline. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, this is our neckline. All right, what we also see is one bottom here, bottom number one, and here is our second bottom, bottom number two. What else do we see? We see divergence on the MACD's histogram. Like that. We see the sellers weakening out. Right? You can see how the bearish volume of this histogram on the MACD is sloping upwards. And we see it as well with our MA lines of the MACD. We are sloping upwards. So what am I watching for? Well, let's put in some volume. Wait, I do have volume set up over here already. There we go. All right, good. I am watching for some bullish volume to come in, right? Break above these previous high red bearish volume bars, and I would look for price to move up and then impulsively at some point break away further higher than this neckline before retracing. Now, if we do break above and close above that neckline, I would then wait for the retrace. Upon the retrace is where I would enter a long position, which would look something like this. And my target would be previous price structure. Now, if this is a true reversal, the risk to reward gets a lot higher because we could target previous resistance, previous support, all the way up at the top. However, I'm not going to get into that right now because this pattern has not even yet fully formed yet, and we don't know whether it is going to form. For all we know, price could come up and battle to break this area again and then carry on south and then come up again and battle. Then we may have a triple bottom and we would look for the same thing. But if price just meanders around here and struggles to break these areas and just trade sideways for a few days, well, then that pattern is now null and void. It doesn't happen anymore. We cannot look for something like that to happen, right? So we're just watching. All right, we're patient traders. On this channel, we're swing traders, right? I am a 4-hour trader. I always like to enter on the 4-hour time frame. This is because I do not have time to sit and watch the charts all day. So I have my predetermined entries, my predetermined targets, and my predetermined stop losses all planned out when I see a setup. So right now, there are no setups. I'm just watching for this pattern to see if we can get some sort of formation happening. And if it does, I will then be waiting for that retrace back into the neckline area. All right, guys, so let's wrap this video up. Let's see if it happens, right? Let's see if it happens. Guys, on that note, please, if you would, hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate all your support. Please leave a comment in the comment section if there's anything that you want to ask about double tops or double bottoms or about any other pattern that we trade on this channel, go ahead and post it in the comments, and I will be sure to get back to you. For the price for a cup of coffee, you can support us if you wish on Patreon. We have exclusive content, we have live streaming, we have a lot of cool fundamentals, everything that you would need as a day trader. Visit our website below in the description, Forex-Stock-Predictions.com. It is a fantastic resource. It is a tool for day traders, made by day traders. Anything that you would want to know if you were just starting out on your day trading journey, we are a fantastic resource. Use us. Come on board and use us. You can watch how other traders analyze the markets. There are a lot of traders that will post their thoughts and their analysis across the entire financial market sector. All right. So don't be shy, come on board, and on that note, I will be seeing you all in the next one. Thanks again very much for watching. See you later.